A squeaking clothes dryer can be a frustrating problem, but there are several possible causes and solutions. One common reason for the squeak is that the appliance is not leveled, which can be easily fixed by checking the dryer's position with a level and adjusting the legs as needed. If the issue persists, it may be due to worn drum bearings, which will require replacement. To replace the drum bearings, start by unplugging the dryer and moving it away from the wall. Then lift the top panel and detach the front panel to access the drum. Next, disconnect the door's wire connectors and release the idler pulley to remove the belt, allowing you to detach the drum from the bearing. Remove the screws holding the drum bearing in place. Install the replacement part, and secure it with screws. Finally, slide the drum back into place. Fit the belt around it, and spin the drum by hand to ensure it moves freely before reattaching the front panel and wire connectors, and restoring power to the dryer. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the problem, putting an end to the annoying squeak.